We don't have to do it all today, just one project at a time. Okay guys, so now we are going to top coat the trailer. Primer's all dried overnight, nice and solid, looks really good, good coverage. So what I'm going to be using is White Knight Rust Guard hammered finish paint. It's again another rust proof paint, really good for metalwork, anything like that. I'm going to be using just for the outside and the flat edges, 100mm rollers, just cheap ones from Bunnings, Hammer Barn, Home Depot sells them, all places, you know, big box hardware stores. Yeah, they're 100mm ones, so they're only fairly small. I've got another cheap little 75mm paintbrush that'll be for getting in around the edges and stuff. And then just these are actually the liners for the 100mm roller trays. They're disposable and they're really, really cheap. They're like $1, or I think even less. They're meant to go inside a paint roller tray, but because I'm only going to be using it for this, I decided just to grab the liners on their own, and they're solid enough. Like, you don't really need to buy an expensive roller tray for this, and like whatever's left, I'm just going to chuck it in the bin. So yeah, we'll crack on, see how it goes. Make sure you shake up your paint as well. Mix it up really well. Give it a good shake around. You can give it a stir too if you've got a stirring stick. I don't actually have one. Should get one. Paddle pop stick, whatever you've got. But yeah, shaking it up will do the same job. So yeah, crack on. Just another little thing I grabbed too. You don't have to have this. This is not a requirement, obviously. Little pourer lid that goes on your paint tin, and it's got a little cap that can go back onto the paint to seal it. It just makes it a little bit less messy when you're pouring paint into the roller tray. I'm also using a foam roller. I find it gives you a bit of a better finish than a high nap roller, that's all. Let's get into it. And the paint that I'm using is a hammered finish. So it's not going to lay, it'll lay down pretty smooth, but it's not going to dry nice and smooth and glossy perfect. It's going to have that hammer finish to it. I really like that finish. Some people do, some people don't. Horses for courses, you choose what you think looks good on your project. Getting around some of the weld seams is a bit of a bugger, but this will take more than one coat too.
Far
Alright guys, well that sort of brings us to the end of this trailer series. I do still need to wait. The wheels got delayed, so I'll get them on there. I'll include a shot at the end just of it with the wheels on when it's done. But that's sort of all I've got to do to it now. It's ready to hit the road, hit the water again. Set a new wheels on it, and yeah, it's good to go. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the series on this trailer. If you did, drop a comment, like, subscribe, share, do all those things. I want to bring you more content. I really enjoy doing this sort of work, and I like going through it with you guys. And as the whole process happens of the channel, it's helping me get over some stuff. Hopefully it helps you guys as well. Again, the same things. Reach out, talk to me, send me a message. I don't mind talking to you. And yeah, so as I said as well, this trailer is my own trailer. It's a family trailer, so it's not going anywhere. It'll be going under my boat that you will be seeing pretty soon. The next thing we're about to crack on with is a little tinny that I've got. Keep an eye out for that. It's interesting. We'll just say that. It's interesting. Needs a bit of work. But once it's all cleaned up, it's going to go up for sale. If you guys want to buy it, you can. And if not, someone local hopefully will buy it. And then a portion of the proceeds from that will go to mental health charities, local mental health charity here. And the rest of it will be going back into the next build, so the next project for this channel. And that's just how it's going to keep rolling. So hopefully, the more you guys can like, subscribe, share, comment, and get it out there for me, the more I can keep bringing you this content. If you enjoy it and you want to see more, that's the only way it happens. I really need it to grow so that I can keep bringing you the same content that you're enjoying. Yeah, so that's about it from me this time, and hopefully you've enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one. We don't have to do it all today, just one project at a time.